Jet-setting across the globe or heading out on a quick weekend getaway, your carry-on luggage can make or break your travel experience. In 2025, travelers want bags that are lightweight, durable, functional, and affordable. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 carry-on suitcases under $75 that pack value without compromising quality. We've rated these bags based on durability, size compliance, smart features, mobility, and price point. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Amazon Basics Hard-Side Spinner. Simple, sleek, and shockingly affordable. Here are the key features. It's made with ABS hard-shell material, includes 4 double spinner wheels for easy movement, and has a fully lined interior with 3 zippered compartments. Pros: durable for short trips, smooth rolling, expandable capacity. Cons: no USB port or TSA approved lock. Price range around $65. Ideal for occasional travelers or college students needing reliable luggage without the bells and whistles. Number 2 is the Rocklin Melbourne Carry-On Spinner, a favorite for its vibrant colors and feather-light feel. Here are the key features. It's made with ABS material, has a telescoping handle, includes 4 double spinner wheels, and interior mesh pockets. Pros: lightweight, highly maneuverable, and stylish design options. Cons: its exterior scratches easily, and it has a slightly smaller interior space. Price range around $55 to $65. Ideal for the fashion-forward travelers or the weekend warriors. Real quick, if you're like me and always bouncing between countries, dealing with mail can be a pain. That's why I use traveling Mailbox. It lets me access my postal mail from literally anywhere, and it's been a game changer. I'll drop a link below if you want to check it out, and I'll tell you more about it in just a sec. Tired of rushing to the post office or missing important mail while traveling? Meet Traveling Mailbox, your virtual mailbox solution. Here's how it works. They scan your postal mail so you can view it online as PDFs, forward packages worldwide, and even deposit checks remotely. Plus, enjoy unlimited cloud storage, junk mail shredding, and integrations with Google Drive or Dropbox. Best part? You get shipping discounts, a mobile app, and 24/7 customer support, all for less than the cost of a P.O. box. Ditch the hassle and manage your mail from anywhere. Sign up now using my link below. That's Traveling Mailbox. Your mail simplified. Number 3. The Wrangler Smart Spinner brings function and innovation. Here are the key features. It has a USB port for charging, a cup holder, a phone holder, and durable ABS construction. Pros: innovative features are perfect for long layovers or digital nomads. Cons: interior space is limited due to the outer design. Price range around $69 to $74. Ideal for business travelers or tech-savvy flyers. Next is the Travelers Club Sky Plus Spinner. It's a practical choice with lots of color options. Here are the key features. It has a lightweight ABS shell, smooth spinner wheels, top and side grab handles, and compression strap on the inside. Pros: it's affordable, available in bold colors, and expands for extra packing capacity. Cons: a basic interior and no USB port. Price range roughly $49 to $59. Ideal for families, casual flyers, or teens heading on school trips. Last but not least, this is the American Tourister Field Brook 2 set, which includes the boarding bag tote. Trust me, this set has everything you will need for your travels. Here are the key features. It has a polyester exterior, comes with inline skate wheels, and a push-button handle. Pros: this set is ultra budget-friendly, lightweight, and features the classic soft side style. Cons: doesn't have spare wheels, and the fabric shows wear quicker than hard shells. Price range $50 to $60. But did I say it comes in a set of 2? Ideal for the budget-conscious travelers or light packers. So here's a quick side-by-side to help you choose the perfect carry-on. Number 1. This luggage is the Amazon Basic. It is a hard shell and it has 4 double spinner wheels. However, it does not have a USB port. The Amazon Basic is priced at $65 and is best for casual travel. Number 2. This is the Rocklin Melbourne Carry-On Spinner 20-inch. This hard-shell luggage is made with ABS material. It comes with 4 double spinner wheels and has interior mesh pockets. It also does not have a USB port. The Rocklin Melbourne is priced at $60 and is best for the style-conscious traveler. Number 3. Next is the Wrangler Smart Spinner Carry-On 20-inch. This luggage brings function and innovation. It comes with a USB port for charging, a cup holder, a phone holder, and it has durable ABS construction and comes with spinner wheels. The Rocklin Melbourne is priced at $74 and is ideal for the business and tech-savvy travelers. Number 4. This is the Travelers Club Sky Plus Spinner. This lightweight luggage comes with the ABS hard shell, 4 spinner wheels, it has top and side grab handles, and a compressed strap inside. Plus, comes with lots of color options. The price is $55 and is ideal for families or the casual flyer. Number 5. The American Tourist Field Brook Combo Set has a polyester exterior, 2 inline skate wheels, a push-button handle, and it comes the boarding bag tote. The price is just $60, perfect for the budget-conscious travelers. There you have it, the top 5 carry-on luggage options under $75 in 2025. Whether you're chasing budget-friendly finds or need extra smart features on the go, there's something here for every type of traveler. Check out the links below to find your perfect piece of luggage and the descriptions for each one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more travel products and tips, and drop a comment sharing your favorite carry-on or any other great picks we missed. And don't forget to check out Traveling Mailbox, a fantastic service to help you manage your mail while you're traveling. Use the link below to sign up. Subscribe now to bring you the best videos that you'll definitely love. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And thanks for your support. Stay tuned for more awesome and exciting content. Don't forget to leave a comment and like this video to support us.